My name's Liv Hunt and I work for Waverness Theatre, which is a charitable incorporated organisation, and we are a workshop-led theatre company that creates theatrical experiences with, for and by older people with dementia living in care homes. Coming back to Northumbria, yeah, it's been great. I mean, it's been 7 years since I graduated, which is crazy. It was a real pleasure to come into Northumbria University today and deliver this clowning performance workshop. We had a brilliant bunch of students who really gave it a good go and yeah, went with the flow, tried lots of different clowning exercises and got their very own red nose at the end. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun today. So this workshop was around the Playfulness project, which is one of our community intergenerational linking projects. So the whole idea of the project is to bring older and younger people together to train people up in clowning and performance and to have fun and to spread a bit of joy and positivity, which I think we all need after the last couple of years that we've had.
We've just done clowning.
Yeah, not what I thought I'd wake up to today.
Not really. But with what we've learned today, it's actually been more fun than we expected, actually. It's
yeah,
just,
I had so much fun doing it.
I didn't think it was actually this fun to be a clown, because normally clowns will be portrayed as scary.
I think it gives a completely different perspective, and obviously it provides like the experience that you wouldn't have had otherwise, because obviously like it's one thing you learning from the lecturers and all these things here, but it's another thing learning from people that are like fully committed to doing just theatre production and stuff like that. Kind of gives you an insight and a goal that you might want to aim for, like certainly for me anyways. Seeing people doing it fully, like I never considered being a clown before, but after today, I don't know, like might have to see in a few years.
I think it kind of makes sense for us to have like more workshops, because we can like get fully into the acting, into the process, if I understand what's out there for us. Like you said, I never thought I'm gonna do a clown in a class, but I think it gave us for the future something as well, because we lost everything, you know, like our bitterness or something. We just were like kids and tried to interact our classmates and friends, and it was so lovely. And I believe these workshops are absolutely amazing opportunity.